So there's different types of titles and headlines that you can actually go ahead and add in Google Vid. So to do that, you need to go around over here on the right hand side and then go to insert text right here. So over here, you can see that add a title is an option. And as you click on it, a big title is inserted, as you can see right here. So you can say something like welcome right here, and you can go ahead and click and drag the edges right here to place it wherever you want. If you want a smaller text, then you can go around on to add a subtitle right here, and this is what you have. So you got welcome right here, and then after that you can go around and say more information, let's say for example, or more info. You can go ahead and resize it, place it wherever you want. Then after that, you got the body text, as you can see as well. So go ahead and then you got the text, which is smaller in size, and you can go ahead and add in content. So there's three types of titles that you have right here, and you can format it out according to how you like as well as you work around with it. So apart from that, there's also presets right here, like there's headlines, there's speakers, as you can see right here, that you can simply go ahead and bring in, and then you can simply click on it to bring it in right here and then edit it out as well. And those are the different sort of text that you can add in inside of Google Vids as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.